Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be just a casual Target haul. I found some cute clothes, some sale stuff, and then I just got like food and household stuff. So if you'd like to see what a typical Target trip looks like for me, please keep watching. So I'm just gonna show you the stuff that's heavy. So I got 2 things of water because we use these for the baby formula and then we drink these. I don't know why, but I feel like the water in our house is bad, so we always get water bottles. Normally I get the giant Sam's ones from Walmart, but I was at Target, so I got 2 of these. So if you have cats, this hands down is the best litter I've ever used, and we've used everything because we have 2 cats. Hi Hazel. And normally I just pick up whichever one I'm feeling at the moment, so I just got the Febreze multi-cat one. They have all different kinds and like all of them pretty much work the same in my opinion, but this is so good. I think it's $15 and it really helps the smell. Like it says odor control and it really does that. Like I will forever buy this. It is so good. Next, Frank isn't feeling very well, so I just got him his favorite Gatorade, which is the lemon lime. Okay, so I know the lighting isn't the best. I don't know why, because I literally opened up all the blinds, but I think you guys are supposed to be able to see what I got. So let's start off with this bag. So the first thing I got is the Crystal Light Peached Iced Tea. This is really good. Frank and I both really like this. And yeah, I don't know. It's just really good. And I think it's sugar-free too. Yeah, it is. Then I just got some Rock Stars. This is Frank's favorite kind. It's the sugar-free one. So I got 2 of those. Then this one's my favorite kind. This is the Rockstar Pure Zero Punched. This is so good. Like it is seriously my favorite, and I've pretty much tried every single energy drink, and that one hands down is like the best to me. Next, I picked up these yogurts. I was watching Whitney Simmons, I think her name is. I follow her on Instagram and she also has a YouTube channel. She does like a lot of fitness stuff, and she was talking about these, and I've gotten these a few times, so I just picked up some more. It's from the brand Too Good, and they have 2 grams of sugar. Total carbs is 3, which is not bad at all. So I've been buying these and they're good for what they are. Like obviously like regular yogurt tastes 10,000 times better, but like I said, for these only having 2 grams of sugar, they're good. But I've tried the strawberry ones and those taste like chalk. So I just went back to the vanilla ones. These are the best. So if you're on a diet or you just want to pick up a little healthier option of yogurt, then I would suggest trying these. Like I said, I've repurchased these a few times. So I believe I got 5 of those. And then I saw that they had a blueberry one and I've never tried that one. So I only got 1 because the strawberry one was gross, so we'll see. Next, I got some laundry detergent. This is the Tide Febreze Botanical Rain. It smells so good, but normally, like I said, we get our laundry detergent from Costco, like the Kirkland brand, and it's like this big for the same price as that one, but I didn't want to go to Costco today, so that's what we're doing. Then I got some more baby laundry detergent. I think this is like, I think I've bought this like 3 or 4 times already. I really like it. It makes the clothes smell really good too. Like it smells like babies. Well, it does for babies, but. Then I got another one of the bottle and dish soaps for her baby bottles. Again, I've purchased this like 5 times or so. It says it removes up to 50% more milk film, odor than the leading brands. I don't even know if anybody else makes baby bottle soap, so this is the only brand I've been buying. It says baby friendly, powered by plants, fragrance free, stuff like that. Next, I just picked up some chicken. I normally get like the big pack that has like 8, but they didn't have any. So I got the 4-pack, and I think this is $6.64, but the big pack is only $8, but they didn't have any. So anyways, I think that Target has the best fresh like chicken breast, and we've tried like Walmart, the ones that look like this. We tried the Sprouts chicken, and I don't know why, but Sprouts chicken that looks like this, and then the Walmart one, I'll never buy Walmart chicken again because I don't know what's going on, but this to me tastes the best out of all the chicken we've had, and it's the Market Pantry. Next, Jaden wanted some hot Cheetos, so we got the Flamin' crunchy ones. I'm currently doing low carb, so I can't have these, but these are my favorite. These are the Cheetos jalapeno ones. So I guess Jaden will just have to eat those too. They were 2 for $6, so. Then I got a couple of these salad kits. I usually get the ones from Walmart, but for some reason, every time we buy the salad kits from Walmart, the lettuce is always pink and that totally grosses me out. So I saw that Target had the same thing. So these are just the bacon Caesar salad kits. So I got 2 of those. Then these are Frank's favorite. So I got him the Edamons Popettes Rich Frosted Donuts. We usually get like the big, like the longer container with like the bigger donuts, but I thought these were cute, so I got these. This is my favorite stuff to put in my coffee. This is the Silk Dairy Free half and half. It has creamy oat milk and coconut milk, and I've been using this. I seriously go through one whole thing like every week. It is so good. So I've just been putting this like in my coffee every day, and then I just put in like some sweet and low packets, but this is so good. Then I got some cheese. I got the Good and Gather Colby Jack cheese. It was on sale. And then I got the Good and Gather mild cheddar. Then I got some mushrooms because I came up with this special sauce for like chicken breast, and I literally have been eating it for like 8 weeks. Like, it is so good. I just keep making it. I think I make it like twice a week, and then I put it on top of my chicken breast. So I'm definitely gonna do like a what I eat in a day to lose weight. So I think I've been doing like low carb. I wouldn't necessarily say keto because some of the things I've been eating have a little bit higher carb, but I lost 15 pounds in 6 weeks. So I want to do a what I eat in a day to lose. I guess I'm losing like baby weight at this point, but I'm already back down to the weight that I was before I got pregnant, but I just want to lose some more. So anyways, I think I'm going to film a video what I eat in a day. So let me know what you guys think of that in the comments below. Then since Frank is sick, I saw these, so I picked these up. These are the Wellness Rescue Shots. This is what they look like. I don't know if they work, but I figured we might as well try. It says they have oil of oregano, elderberry, ginger root, and cayenne pepper. So next I got a St. Patty's Day card because I got my aunt a pin from California Adventure, and so I'm just gonna stick the pin in here and then send it to her, like a pin that goes like on a lanyard. She collects them, so I just picked up a card so I could put the pin in here and then mail it that way. Then since Frank is sick, I got him an Easter basket, so I picked this up. I don't even know when Easter is. I think it's in April, so whatever. So I got the Junior Mint eggs. These were all $1. I got the mini Whopper eggs, Reese's Pieces eggs. I'm sure sugar is the last thing he wants when he's sick, but. And then I got the mini Robin eggs. And then the last thing I got are these Hershey M&M looking things. Oh, and then I went to Target, I think it was last week I went to Target, and I was gonna film a haul, but I didn't. So I'll probably just put these Target hauls on my channel every now and then because I love to see what other people get at Target. But anyways, all the men's jeans, not all of them, but they have a whole bunch of them that are on sale between $7 and $12, and they're like good quality jeans. I found a really nice pair of jeans for Frank last week for 12 bucks. So I went to a different Target today, and then I found more jeans. So I got Jane a pair and Frank a pair. These are so nice. So these are from the brand Goodfellow. These full price were $30, and they're just like a brushed gray. So I got these for Jaden, and these on sale were only $8.98. Isn't that crazy? So I got Jaden a pair of these. Then I found these for Frank. I got him another pair. These are the Goodfellow brand as well. These full price are $25, and I got them on sale for $7.48. So if you have any men in your life, go to Target and get them some jeans because these are nice. Like, they feel like Levi's. Next, I found these little pants for the baby. These were on sale for $2.08. So I just got her some little pink baby pants. And then my friend April sent me a snap that she got these hot pink biker shorts. So I found them, so I got them too. So I got a size medium, and this is what they look like. And I plan on wearing them like high-waisted. They feel like pretty nice and stretchy and like kind of like a thicker cotton, but like still breathable, if that makes sense. So I was gonna wear these with And then they also had like a cropped t-shirt to go with these, so I might get that next, I don't know. But then they had this like sports bra tank top thing to go with it. So I went ahead, there's somebody's hair on here and it is not mine. I got this sports tank top looking thing to go with those, and then I was just gonna wear like an oversized jean jacket with it. Like I wouldn't, yeah, I'm not gonna walk out of the house with like not something kind of covering it. But I thought that this with the high-waisted biker shorts would be cute to wear like an oversized jean jacket. I got a size large and this was $13. Next, I just got some bread. This is just the honey wheat bread, nothing special. I got some new like cleaning supplies too. I've never tried these, so if we like them, we'll get them, and they're super affordable. So I got the Everspring Down to Earth solutions that are up to earth standards. I don't know, that's what it says. Multi-surface cleaning wipes, and I got the scent lavender and bergamot. So I got the 3-pack. They also had like a lemon and ginger one, and then they had another one too, but I thought these would probably smell the best, so I picked those up. Then also in the same like little section, they had these. These are the Clorox Scentiva Disinfecting Wet Mopping Cloths. And these are in the scent Tucson, Lavender, and Jasmine, bleach free. That actually smells really good. So I might actually start getting these instead of just like the regular Swiffer wipes. I don't really like the smell of those. Next, I just got some Scotch-Brite stainless steel scrubbing pads. We usually use these to like clean our showers and stuff, or yeah, that's pretty much what we use them for. We don't really use them for dishes, so I just got these. I'm like so paranoid that the lighting is bad. Next, I just got 2 of the Suave Tropical Coconut shampoos. Like Frank and Jaden aren't bougie like me, so they just use like the cheap dollar stuff, so I got 2 of these. Next, they had these on the same kind of like cleaning aisle that was next to the wipes and then the Swiffer pad things I showed you. So I went ahead and got these, and this is the same scent as the Swiffer wipes. So I don't know, I got it. Normally, like I said, I just get this one, but that'd be nice if that smells just like that, because like this smell stinks. So I just got these. These are the Clinging Bleach Gel. 5 times cleaning action, cleans 50% longer, destroys tough stains, blah, blah, blah. I don't really know. I'm pretty sure they're the same thing. This one's just scented different. I don't know. Has a different scent. Then I get these for Jaden's room so he can just spray in there, because all the Febreze stuff that I get is like floral scent and he don't really like that. So I got this one. This is the Glade spray, and it's the Sultry Spiced Rhythm. Black rum, leather, and mint. This was only $1, so I got this for his room so he can spray it in there. Next, I was gonna go to the Dollar Tree to get these containers because I wanna reorganize my like hair drawer that has like scrunchies and bobby pins and like stuff like that. But they had these at Target, so I just got these instead. So I got these 4 containers for $2, which is pretty much what I would have spent. Well, actually at the Dollar Tree, everything's $1. So I would have spent $4 instead of 2, but I got these and they're just in this like pale pink color. Then I got 3 of these trays for $2, and then I got these 2 trays for $2 as well. So I spent $6 and got 2, 5, 9 different trays, and they kind of have like a silicone rubber feel to them, so they're probably a lot more sturdy than the stuff I would have found at Dollar Tree. But yeah, these are what they look like. Then I want to show you the stuff that I got from my other Target trip. I already wore this, but they had it in like a purple pink color too, and I wish I would have got it. But this was in the clearance section for I think $9. And seriously, if I could go back and buy the pink and purple one, they didn't have it at this Target. I wish I would have done it. But it's like a waffle knit crop. And I wore it to Malibu when my friend April was here, and like a lot of people said, like gave me compliments on it, which I thought was weird, but okay. This is from the brand Wild Fable, and I got a size large because I wanted it to be oversized but kind of fit normal, so I don't know. But yeah, obsessed with this. Then I found the cutest little baby shoes. Look, they're strawberries. They're strawberries. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for her to get in these. I got a 6 to 9 months, and again, they were only $10. They're so cute. Then these are my new favorite tank tops. So the regular tank tops that Target has that are like $8 a piece are my favorite. They're so soft, they're stretchy, I love them. Jaden. Sorry if you can hear the baby in the background. I found some new tank tops and I tried them on and I love them. But they didn't have my sizes in the other colors that I wanted. Like I wanted white and black, but they didn't have my size. So I got these in a medium and they're high neck tank tops. They're kind of like that ribbed material. I got mediums and they were $8. So I got this really pretty kind of like, I guess it's like a faded baby blue. And this is what they look like. I just really loved how they fit. Like I'm obsessed, like I have to get the other shades. So I got that shade and then I got this gray color. So next time I'll probably get it in black and white too, but seriously, they fit like this and they just look so good. So I cannot go to Target in the spring and summertime without buying at least one swimsuit. This one to me looks expensive, so I had to get one. It was like super cute, but it also doesn't look like a Target swimsuit. So these are the bottoms, which I could take or leave. I don't really care for them, but it's the only bottoms they had to match the top. But it does have a scrunch butt. So with the little scrungy butt thing, I think it's more flattering than just like the baggy diaper butts that a lot of the swim bottoms look like. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I got these in a large. They were $14.99, but it was buy one, get one 50% off. So I got the whole set for I think $20 or whatever, and then it normally would have been like 30 or something. So these are the bottoms and they're a smidge too big, but I'd rather have them a smidge too big than too small. So I just went ahead and got the large and not a medium. Wait till you guys see this top. Like this seriously looks like I got it from like Misguided or something. So in the top I got a large and it fits perfect. So this is what the top looks like. How cute is that? Look, it has buckles. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it is so cute. And like this like buckle detail makes it look expensive, I feel like. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There you go. I'm obsessed. And then it just clips in the back, but it's so cute. And the top was $19.99. I have one bag left. So Frank really likes veggie chips and I don't think he's ever tried these. He usually gets the veggie straw. So I saw these, so I bought them. We'll see if he likes them. These are the garden veggie chips made with potatoes, spinach, broccoli, and peas. And they just look like Pringles. So we'll see if he likes those. Next, I got Jaden some pancake mix. This is just the Krusties. I don't think I've ever noticed the name of that. Light and fluffy buttermilk complete pancake mix. Just add water. He likes to make waffles in the waffle maker and it's really easy for him to do, so I just get him the add water stuff. Then I saw these were on sale, so I just grabbed them just for snacks, put cheese on them or whatever. These are just the Market Pantry toasted rounds, so they're just like the off-brand version of the Ritz crackers. They taste the same. So I got these. Then I saw these. They came out with Fruit Loop flavored Pop-Tarts. So we grabbed those. That's another thing that Jane likes to eat, so I figured we would try those out. Then he just picked out some Lucky Charms. So the last few things that I got, I only get these when I do like low carb diets, I guess. Is not a lifestyle for me, but I only eat these when I do that. On like a normal regular basis, I don't eat these. But I used to get the lemon pepper ones and the different flavors that they have. Oh, the buffalo tuna one is really good because it doesn't taste like tuna. But I saw they had the deli style tuna salad and I used to make tuna salad all the time when I do like the low carb thing. So I figured I would just try these out instead of having to like make my own, because then I gotta get a red onion, pickles, mayonnaise, like the whole shebang. So I'm curious to see if these taste just as good as when I make it myself. So we'll see. Then the last thing I got, I think this flavor is new. This is the Deli Fresh from Oscar Mayer, the rotisserie seasoned chicken breast. I can only find this at Target. I don't know if Walmart has it or not, but it's really good. It's like my new favorite lunch meat. So I found some low carb bread. So I just make like a regular sandwich with this and the cheese and stuff like that. And then Frank and Jaden really like this kind too. So I've been buying like this flavor like the whole time. I've been buying this flavor for like the last few months or so. I forgot to show you guys too. I got these a couple days ago at Target. So these are the rose scents. I think these are limited edition. I cannot wait. Next, I want to find the peony one, but I bet these smell so good. So I got the dish soap and then the counter spray as well. So that's everything from my casual Target haul. Let me know what you guys buy every time you go to Target, like your top 3 things that you always buy from Target when you go, if it wasn't already in this haul. So I know, and I can pick up some more Target goodies because like I said, I really like to see what people buy from Target, especially repurchases from Target, that is. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this Target haul, and I will see you guys later. Bye.